pretty early in the morning. It's about 7 o'clock. I wanted to leave here by 7 or 6:30, but we're going to PA, so it's going to be pretty exciting. So let's get to it. That is why I'm here. Yeah, buddy. Let's fucking go. That's mine. And this thing is sick. A Corolla wagon. Look at it. Ooh. I like it. JDM mirrors. Nice ass wheels. What's up, guys? My name is William Jorgensen, and I'd like to welcome a new vehicle to my YouTube channel, my 1988 Mazda RX-7. Obviously, you can tell there are a few things about this car that aren't the most ideal, let's say. Granted, there's rust, the wheels are in alright condition, there's fire damage, there is a massive hole in the door. Don't even know how this happens, but crazy. The fenders need to be attached better. There's missing the plastics on the light. And it's not only two, but 3 different colors. Rust, dents, you know, all the good stuff. Inside, seats are ripped, but obviously that would be getting replaced with the bucket. And then 2 plus 2, but those seats aren't even from this car, so those would be leaving. This car bought for $750. runs surprisingly well, but it needs a clutch. So mechanically, I mean, there's just that. Obviously, both headlights don't go up and down. And then it's mainly body damage and rust. The rust is no big deal because this is going to be strictly a drift missile. I'm going to be learning how to drift with this car, so it's going to get beat up. Down the line, once I do the little things to get it up to par for drifting, what I'm going to do is get a cleaner shell and swap everything good over to the clean shell. So all I need is really a clutch and I can start drifting. So the inside, when I bought it, wasn't paying too much of attention, but let's see. This is an NA RX-7 with apparently 107,000 miles, but it has a Turbo 2 cluster. Mileage is unknown. The vents are cracked. This piece up here, surprisingly, is in good condition. That usually cracks. The shifter itself is stripped, so I'll probably rethread it, different thread pitch, and make my own shift knob for that. Came with a fire extinguisher, which is empty. One nice thing though, it's a black dash. If you can't tell from the other pictures, the seats are blue. The car was blue, and someone decided to paint it red. See, blue door. Put this nasty vinyl in here. Literally spray painted this, spray painted the here, and even spray painted the carpet black. But the black dash everyone wants, so that get rid of these red accents, clean it up, and then start making it a drift car. Besides making this a drift car, I also want to do a custom wide body, maybe custom hood, custom diffuser. Just want to make it a little different than the mainstream RX-7s or what most people tend to do. Look forward to seeing this get changed. It might also get a Turbo 2 swap. We'll see what happens. It's going to be a good time though. Alright, that's it for this episode, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.